So, where are we 1 year later? In our coverage this evening, we'll explore some of what was promised on the campaign trail and some performance indicators of the government. Herman Green begins with the crime portfolio.
Serious and violent crimes, including murders and shootings, arguably some key indicators of a government's success. It's why we've asked a few Jamaicans to grade the government's handling of the crime portfolio over the past year.
0%.
Why?
Because crime escalate more.
I don't rate them enough because instead I see it go down, it come up. Because them so we can't sleep with the door open and I can't sleep with not even the keyhole open.
It has not been handled properly because lately it's when people are dead, that's the time when the police come.
Now, those comments are from residents of Tel Aviv in central Kingston and Trenchtown in South St. Andrew. Both communities have experienced gruesome murders, even of children, in recent months. So what's the feeling about crime for the rest of the country? We took that question to security consultant Robert Finzi-Smith.
Let me flip the script on you. Do you feel safe?
By his assessment, the crime situation has gotten worse, with reports of shootings and robberies happening at all hours of the day, even in busy commercial areas.
A couple of weeks ago, somebody thought it was a great idea to try and assassinate somebody in Manor Park. Walking distance, not a long walk either, from the largest police station in that region. There was a song, you're probably too young to know it, that came out in Jamaica that said, what the hell the police can do.
Pointing to the JCF's year-to-date crime report, opposition spokesman on security, Peter Bunting, gave the government a poor grade.
And what it shows that up to September 4th, murders are up by 10%. At 964 year-to-date. At this pace, we're going to end the year over 1,400 murders. Shootings are also up 2.5% at 845 for the year.
Over the past week, we tried getting in touch with National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang. Several telephone calls and WhatsApp messages were not answered. However, the JLP's 2020 election manifesto listed building the safe, secure and just Jamaican society for which we all yearn as one of the focuses going forward. Millions of dollars have been invested in border security, police station renovation and new modernized police vehicles. But some argue that the investment is not reflecting where it matters.
What do your crime figures tell you? You can't tell me that this is going down, but more things are happening. How the two gel?
This poor performance has to be put in a context of a government that has put much more financial resources into national security than had been available for many years. And notwithstanding having the resources, we're getting this poor performance.
I'm not tell a lie. If you don't go on good, I don't say you go on good. You're not go on good. So I can't get no ratings. That's the truth.
Herman Green, TVJ News.